This is the dog named Alexandra, and this is playing volleyball with the puppy. This is the ball that she loves to hit around and stuff. Just keep doing it. Oh my god! Right there. Get it?
Ryan,
Get it!
I think I just broke my nose.
Mom, get the camera. Are you serious?
Yeah.
Get the camera.
Damn it.
Mom, that wasn't my fault. How is that? Okay, well, this dog hitting the ball kind of went completely wrong. My mom was standing over there, and she just broke her nose. She got hit by the ball, and the ball also came over here and hit my umbrella, which snapped it straight in half. It's only a yoga ball. That just proves how hard she hits it, but it still is fun, and we're going to keep playing baseball with the ball.